All right, I have the Winter Walmart Beauty Box. This box costs $7 or is free, and $7 is shipping and handling. However you look at it, you're going to get 5 to 7 items for $7. Now, they're all going to be sample sizes or deluxe samples. Every now and again, we do get something that is full size. Holy cow, when I first started getting this subscription, I think there were 2, possibly 3 iterations. I have version 7. So the variations have definitely increased. All right, so I'm super curious to see if we got anything really good this quarter. Did I mention this box is quarterly, so 4 times a year with each season. It does come with a booklet where they do list the prices and let you know how much the full-size value costs. But since there are variations, I don't know which of these products are in my box. So let's do the unboxing. All right, what is this? This here is Bright Pen? LUMINEUX. What's a Bright Pen? Is this like teeth whitening? Hold on. Product 1, I already need my little friend here. Certified non-toxic, dual action, stain repellent. Yeah, teeth whitening in the world's smallest print. Whitens without sensitivity. All right, well, is this full size? You get 1 pen, which is 2 milliliters, 10 to 12 applications. Honestly, I could use some teeth whitening, but I don't do it. But hey, now I have a pen and can test it out to see how it works out. I'm super curious if that is full size or not. And of course, it is nowhere to be found on this Garnier. All right, but I am seeing some really nice brands, so I hope I get some of them. All right, next item. Ooh, okay, that's nice. It's a liquid that could have leaked, and they put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. Ipsy, you should consider doing that. Okay, what do we have here? This is from Garnier, and it's the SKINACTIVE Micellar Cleansing Water. Ooh, I use micellar waters all the time. Granted, this is a very small travel size, but guess what? I can toss it in my travel bag. All right, next item, we have something from AVEENO. This here is the Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Okay, I like, even though it's small, I love a flip top where you can just squeeze it out. This box so far is really good. And I got something, I saw a brand on there, but I didn't see what the product was. This here is from Wet n Wild. It's makeup, and it's a blush. This here is in the shade Pinch Me Pink. Perfect shade for me. I love a pink blush. Hold on, I forgot. Wet n Wild loves to put stickers on everything, which I guess if you're in store is helpful so that nobody's like swiped it to test it. But when you're at home doing an unboxing, it can be a little annoying. Un momento. All right, I finally got it open. This is what the shade looks like. Sorry, my lights are really bright. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, very pink. It's giving me Heather, aka Crazy Beautiful MUA vibes. That is a really nice kind of bubblegum pink and perfect for me to test out in an upcoming video. I'm super curious if that is full size. It seems like it's full size. Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush and Highlighting Powder. Shades will vary. Full size. It is full size. But why does it say 328-1493? First off, Wet n Wild would never be $14.93. I don't know. I'm just going to go with the low end that it's $3.98, which means it's already paid for half of this box. All right, the last item, sadly, not for me. This here is from Sally Hansen. It's the Salon Effects Perfect Manicure. You get 24 Coffin nails, and it's kind of in a soft nudie pink. Like if I were to use nails, that's a great color. I'm the type, which may shock you because you never see me with my nails done. Pre-pandemic, I used to go to the salon and get a full set of acrylic nails in French manicure. That was my go-to. French manicure, square top, all the time. But then once you stop, they come out. It's a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of money, and then all of that. What do you call that? Where they rub your nails down and file your nails down. Not rub. My nails were getting really thin, and it started hurting. So the pandemic allowed me to not do my nails. So hopefully they're all, getting thicker. Not that my nails are thick at all, but I just haven't been doing my nails. So I'm fairly certain those nails are full size. Yep, and it retails for $7.48. So these nails paid for the box. I'm taking a look at the card here, and there are a lot of makeup items you could have got in this quarter's box. There was an eyeliner from CoverGirl. There was a lip exfoliator from e.l.f. And then I got the blush from Wet n Wild. And I'm not sure, was this a blush and highlighter? Or you could have gotten a highlighter. Yeah, that's only 3 or 4 products. But for these boxes, that's a lot because normally you don't get any makeup, or maybe you're lucky to get one. I am lucky that I didn't get the charcoal infused facial buffers because I would never use that. Although I would have loved to have gotten the number 7 Renew Damage Reversal Facial Serum. They also had from Soap and Glory the Righteous Butter Body Lotion. All right, this box, in my opinion, was really good. All right, let's recap what I got in my variation. I got the Sally Hansen Salon Effects Perfect Manicure. I got the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. The Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion from AVEENO. The Bright Pen Teeth Whitener from LUMINEUX. And the Icon Blush in Pinch Me Pink from Wet n Wild. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, for $7, this was spectacular. I got a blush. Yay. I love getting makeup. I use micellar water, and this will be perfect to take when I travel. I would never buy a teeth whitening pen, but now that I have one, I think I need to give it a try. I can always use a body lotion, and if anything, I can toss it in my bag and use it as a hand cream. This is the one product where I'm like, but the box was $7, so I really don't care. I'll just set it aside to do a trade with someone or to put in a giveaway. I'm going to do some math based off of the grams and full price, etc., and list the total MSRP value. Does it really matter? Not really, because if you look at it, this was a $7 box. We got 5 items. That makes each item about $1.25, $1.35. I can't do math. But it's very similar to if you went to the Dollar Tree and picked up 5 items. You would walk out after tax and whatnot, spending about $7. So I think this is pretty good. But I'm curious to hear what you think of this subscription. Do you think it's worth $7? Have you seen anyone else do their unboxing? And did you think I got a really good box? Is my box meh compared to their box? What was your favorite item in this box? I know for me, it's this blush. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.